Just take me to the beach, please.
Alright, we're taking you to the beach for rehab.
Perfect. Actually, that would work.
It's okay, we're here for you. We're here on one of the filthiest beaches in the world. There's two YouTubers also. No one knows what these guys are doing with the car because they keep going back and forth. We are currently looking to find a place for this YouTuber to pee. You need to what?
I need to pee.
Okay. She want to be a bougie peer because she doesn't want to go that side. If you're just watching, welcome to National Geographic. We're filming Elum in her natural habitat. Some say that peeing is a natural bodily function. Some also say that YouTubers do not pee. But very clearly, on this National Geographic exclusive, we can see that YouTubers also. Over there we have the SoundCloud artist, and you can identify a SoundCloud artist by their AirPods. Being famous on SoundCloud is often seen as a curse, and a lot of the time, not being recognized in public is like a dream come true for many SoundCloud artists. Let's switch back to the YouTubers. Now some say that YouTubers do not get along off camera, but it seems that these two YouTubers are getting along really well. In fact, the one on the right is not being annoying as hell right now, and that is very surprising. Welcome back to National Geographic. Over here we can find a YouTuber attempt to go viral. It would appear the YouTuber is tired after 14 seconds. YouTube really is hard. Some say following a YouTuber will lead you to death and poverty and 20 views like I have. This YouTuber is not lost. She's just finding herself. It's always great to see that face of encouragement. She might also take a swim, or not. We'll never know until the end of the video, because that's what YouTubers do. This YouTuber has seen a SoundCloud artist. The SoundCloud artist appears to be broken from this YouTuber leaving. The YouTuber meets some fans and admirers. She seems surprised, but now she's happy. This is fame, everybody. They're so excited they're running away from her greatness.
What are you saying over there?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, it's not good for YouTube what we're talking about.
What is it? The YouTuber prefers to keep their information for her channel. We switch back to a YouTuber who has almost disappeared again, seemingly for another YouTube challenge. Always keep track of the YouTubers, because you never know when they may decide to do something like this. Do you have any idea what the YouTuber is looking for?
You're testing. She told me to go and touch it and she didn't even touch it, so that's my guinea pig, y'all.
Today the YouTubers have found content.
Feel like I'm on Headfest and tell them what's what you said.
That would be just so. Wait, go back a bit.
Seems the YouTuber has an idea.
Yes, tell. So we spotted a guy.
And he has a guitar. So I was like, we should go get him to play something for us. So we're going.
The YouTubers have found a challenge to get a guy to play the guitar. Are we gonna find it though? If you play something for them, I'll play something for you.
Okay.
They're arguing over who should play the guitar for them. Someone sold.
Uncle, you're down on the way to pick a rock from the floor. I know you've been fighting so long, but it ain't a reason not to fight more. And even though we have nothing, at least we have time. We don't know what's inside us until we take a look and see. We must first know who we are, just to know who we can be. Imitating the people around, wanna be like a celebrity. We don't appreciate our house, we don't use our own energy.
She's enjoying this too much.
Take a look inside.
Clap for him.
You will be surprised. Worth more than diamonds and gold. Worth more than platinum and gold. You find
The sound card artist is inspired in the zone right now.
Take a look inside. You'll be surprised. Worth more than diamonds and gold. Worth more than platinum and oil. You find a powerful soul. You never thought that you would.
That is so good.
Right?
You're not monetized. Take time for yourself. If you learn to control the power you hold, prove to be somebody. No, we don't know what's inside.
Hey! What's going on there? Ella, what's going on there?
Because you're gone. You're saying it's hard to see. But darling, say
Yay!
I'm an everyday talk, baby.
oh, so you're shy.
Fuck off.
I see what I see.
Fuck off, mate. Fuck off, you.
Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you.
And thank you.
Thank you so much.
Let's